The inner height property is a number that represents the interior height of the browser window. Now, what is the interior height of the browser window? So it's basically the vertical space of where the content is displayed. So it's basically this one, vertical. It starts here to here. Wait. So if we minimize, so it's basically this part to this part. That is the interior height of the browser window. Now if we go back, it says below your canvas width, append the height property to the canvas variable and assign it inner height. So this is our canvas width, and below it, all we have to do is to write again the variable canvas and append, it says, the height property. So append the height and assign it to the inner height. So that's basically it. Nice.